see a bunch of those bananas. Banana.
We also have an iguana farm here to the east side, about 10 minutes away from the cruise ship, which is a tourist attraction. There's 4,000 iguanas at that farm. Wow. The biggest iguana there is 6 foot, known as Godzilla. So when you visit the farm, they give you a piece of cabbage. You hold it up here, and a massive iguana bigger than me crawls up your leg, sit on your shoulder, and eats the cabbage. So if you want really close up of the iguanas, I would suggest you go to the iguana farm. On this island, which includes private and public. There's also 4 Christian schools and 5 universities on this little island. The schools are in right now, so there's no summer breaks here. They have winter breaks. So school starts in February, ends in November. They have 1 week off, which is Easter. And there's also 3 different schedules for school. The first group is from 7 to 12. The second 12:30 till 5 p.m. And there's a bigger group for the kids that are between 17 and 18 that sometimes works during the day and study the night. That group is from 6 p.m. until 11. So there's many different options for education here. And the schools are all mandatory, from preschool all the way through 12th grade. Beyond 12th grade, it's optional. The reason why the school ends in November is because of the rainy season. We have a total of 5 months of rain here. It starts in October, ends in February. The average rainfall is 87 inches of rain here.
Wow. 87
October
inches.
and November, it rains pretty much every day for the whole month.
Wow.
And the kids here don't have buses. Most of them walks between 20 to 25 minutes to get to school. And we're having issues with mudslides here.
Del Marindo.
So basically, for everyone's safety, the school is out during the heavy rainfall.
Tara, look at the water for the first.
Huh?
The hottest months of the year is April, May, June,
There you go,
and
with your
September.
plantains.
Like I said, 110
Sorry.
with 90% humidity always. The coolest months is December and January. The coolest year is 65, and that's terrible for us. We call it snowy. Whenever it's between 60 63, no one goes outside unless they wear 2 pants, 2 t-shirt, pretty much call it a day.
Around in shorts.
Everyone has a blanket about this thick and is drinking a lot of hot chocolate the whole day.
Wow, look at this.
So right here, this is the first dock that was built here. This is Royal's Caribbean Dock. It's been here since 1998. Mahogany Bay is new. It was built in 2010 for Carnival exclusively. So Norwegian also uses this pier. They're doing some work expanding it for at least 2 ships at a time, because now there's only space for 1. And sometimes there's like 3 cruise ships here, so the other ones have to use their tenders back and forth. The big ones up here, like Symphony, Allure. So it's deep enough.
They gotta be the first ones in the dock. They gotta.
Mahogany Bay is tricky because it's surrounded by coral. So when it's like 35 knots, no ship can enter.
Palm tree.
Here on the island, there's 3 main sources of income. Number 1 is tourism, but it's not the best one. Because most of us that works in the tourist industry highly depend on things. The second largest industry is fishing. There's over 85 fishing boats here that does a lot of fishing for red snapper, grouper, lobster, shrimps, and also the famous king crab.
Yep,
which
I'm
is
down with that.
exported to different parts of the United States and also Central America. Third place is construction, meaning that there's over 21 different realtors. Therefore, they're constructing a lot of condos and condominium throughout this island. So further along the tour, you'll have an opportunity to see beautiful condos and duplex that they have for sale and also for rent. And it's pretty easy to buy here. All you have to do
You see that?
Honduras, the main-
Oh wow! Look, see that?
So, like I said,
See that? The silhouette? See the silhouette? I mean, just the shade. I mean, what do you
Oh,
call
I
it?
do see it.
See that?
The shadow.
Yeah, the shadow.
This is like the
See it right there? The tip.
Yeah.
Yep. That's
I do
that.
see that.
Huh.
So the mainland, everyone, is the city. This is more jungle, nature
Yeah,
wild.
that's all the way across over
So
there.
also at Honduras, there is no tourism because of the crime. Unemployment rate is 60% from this country. That's 40 at Honduras and 20% here on this island. So things are way better here in comparison to the mainland because, like I said, tourism is the #1 source of income. So thank you all for choosing us. For you, this is a day that you're probably planning on spending in the jungle around birds and monkeys and hanging out at the beach, but you are helping a lot. After today, there's no
Roatan.
cruise ship until next week. So
Oh.
like I said, you're helping a lot. On the mainland, it does a lot of agriculture.
I like Pepsi.
A lot of Pepsi drinkers. On this section, the rest are like Coca-Cola. And Mountain View. So over at the mainland, it does like a lot of agriculture. So the #1 source of exportation from the mainland is coffee,
Oh.
followed by banana, also mahogany wood and cotton to different parts of the United States and
It's
also
everywhere.
Look at that.
There's like no coconuts.
Well, that's a nice house. I like that. Right on the cliff. I like that.
Good place to get crab, huh?
best.
Their export is crab.
Our king crab is not like the one from Alaska. The ones here are like spider that have the claws around.